In the modeling real life problem, we are told that the circumference of a roll of caution tape decreases 10.5 inches after a firefighter uses some of the tape. What is the radius of the roll after the firefighter uses the tape? So we're looking for the radius after the firefighter uses the tape. Before he uses it, we have 31.4 inches of caution tape, but he uses or it decreases 10.5 inches after he uses some of the tape. So our first step here is to find how much or what the circumference is after he uses the tape. So we're going to take the original circumference of 31.4 inches and subtract how much he used, which was 10.5 inches, which leaves us with a circumference of 20.9 inches around the base of that tape. So we're going to use this circumference, okay, that's the circumference that's left, to find the radius after the firefighter uses the tape. So again, I'm starting with my formula for circumference. And since it's asking for radius, I want to use the circumference formula that uses radius, which is 2 times pi times the radius. So in this formula, I'm going to substitute in everything I know. And in this case, I do know the circumference. So I'm going to plug in that for C. 2 never changes because it's part of the formula. Pi is 3.14. And then we're looking for r. So r is my variable, my unknown. I can simplify by multiplying these two, and I get 20.9 equals 6.28 times r. And then to solve for r, we undo the multiplication with division. I divide it on this side, I divide it on this side, and I end up with r being equal, you can't see, let me slide over. R being equal to, as you can see here on the calculator, 3.32. And I'm going to use that 2 to round this 3. And since this 2 is below 4, this 3 remains the same. So I'm going to say that my radius is 3.3. And I'm going to include my inches that were given to me.